Episode 4 Snowstorm. Boko and Gordon had finished pulling their trains when Sir Topham Hatt came up to them. "You engines better get some rest," said Sir Topham Hatt. "I don't think you'll be able to pull the trains tomorrow. There's going to be a big snowstorm tonight." "Really?" said Boko. "But it's March." "I know," said Topham Hatt. "Weird timing for a snowstorm." "But don't worry, I've ordered for a special engine to come to the island of Sodor tomorrow evening, so the trains will most likely only be cancelled for one day." Night. It was heavily snowing at the sheds. All the engines were preparing to go to sleep. The next morning, one by one, the engines started to wake up. When they looked outside, there was a heap of snow on the ground. "As you can see," said Sir Topham Hatt, "it has snowed quite a bit, and none of you will be able to go anywhere," he said. "So you'll all be staying at your sheds until an engine comes to clear all the tracks." The engines agreed. And so, in the evening, a new engine had arrived. His name was Dustin. He cleared all the tracks on Sodor. And so the next day, the engines were able to pull the trains. All the engines quickly became friends with Dustin. But just 2 days later, all the snow melted. Dustin was supposed to go back to his railway, but his old railway went bankrupt, so he couldn't go back. And so, he went to look for a job to do. But on that same day, he ran out of coal on the main line and got into an accident. Sir Topham Hatt didn't have the money to fix Dustin, and so he was shunted into a shed. And remained there for a very long time.